Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you why your fast charging may not work on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first thing, go into the settings of your phone and battery. Scroll down to charging settings and make sure that the fast charging is enabled. Then check your cable, just if it's not broken in any way, because it may affect the charging. Next, here we have the charging port, so make sure that it is cleaned. You can clean it with compressed air or Q-tips or wooden sticks, but don't use the metallic tools. And that's pretty much it. You can check the charger and outlet with another phone, or you can check another charger and outlet to this phone if it's working. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.